Good day, everyone. Today, our group will be present our community engagement activity titled Ethical Drone Uses. This activity focuses on raising public awareness about responsible and ethical drone usage through a digital poster campaign. Based on our learning experience from the podcast and creative video projects. As drone technology rapidly developed under Industry 4.0, drones are increasingly used across various industries such as photography, construction, logistics, and surveillance. However, along these benefits, cases of drones misuse have also increased. Issues such as privacy invasion, safety risks, and violations of aviation regulations have raised public concern. This highlights the urgent need to educate the public on ethical and responsible drone usage.
From the podcast and creative videos produced by different groups, we learned that drawing ethics is just as important as technical skills. Many real-world cases showed how irresponsible drawing operations can damage public trust, disrupt social order, and even endanger lives. As young and creative drawing users, we realized that our behavior directly shapes how society views drone technology. Based on these insights, we designed a digital poster community engagement activity. The main objective of this activity is to raise public awareness about ethical drone usage in a simple and accessible way. Our target audience is the general public, especially young people who may be interested in drone but lack awareness of ethical and legal responsibilities. The poster is intended to be shared on social media platforms to maximize its reach.
In terms of design, the poster adopts a clean and documentary and visually engaging style. We use in icons in minimal text and strong keywords to communicate the message effectively instead of technical explanations. The design is focused on its technical value, making the content easy to understand even for students without a technical background. The poster highlight four key message. First, public safety, reminding users that drone operations should never put others at risk. Second, privacy protections, emphasizing respect for personal and public space. Third, regulatory compliance, encouraging joint users to follow accessing aviation laws and guidelines. Finally, Industry 4.0 and features careers showing that if ethical drones usage supports sustainable innovations and national development.
Ethical considerations plays a central role in this activity. The poster avoids fear-based messaging or punishment-focused narratives. Instead, it promotes responsibilities, awareness, and positive behavior. We also ensure that the content does not spread misinformation and respects public perception of drone technology.
So through this activity, we realized that community engagement doesn't have to be complex to be effective. Even a simple digital poster can influence public thinking and encourage responsible behavior. Raising ethical awareness helps ensure that drone technology continues to benefit society rather than cause harm.
In conclusion, this digital poster community engagement actively demonstrates that ethical drones users are essential for supporting safe innovations and sustainable development. By promoting responsible drone usage, we help strengthens public trust, 4.0 and 1.0 and contribute positively to the digital economy. Thank you for your attention.